issued a flash flood warning for northwestern Bibb County and central Georgia, Butts County and central Georgia, Jasper County and central Georgia, northwestern Jones County and central Georgia, Monroe County and central Georgia, Morgan County and north central Georgia, Newton County and north central Georgia, Walton County and north central Georgia, Lamar County and west central Georgia, southeastern Paulding County and west central Georgia, northeastern Upton County and west central Georgia, until 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 10:18 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Macon, Griffin, Monroe, Covington, Barnesville, Jackson, Madison, Forsyth, Monticello, Social Circle, Rutledge, Newborn, Flavilla, North High Shells, Milner, Mansfield, Jenkinsburg, Bostwick, Yeatusville, and Good Hope. Turn around. Do not drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. Please report observed flooding to local emergency services or law enforcement and request they pass this information to the National Weather Service when you can do so.
At 9 a.m. in Peachtree City.
The National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a flash flood warning for northwestern Bibb County and central Georgia, Butts County and central Georgia, Jasper County and central Georgia, northwestern Jones County and central Georgia, Monroe County in central Georgia, Morgan County in north central Georgia, Newton County in north central Georgia, Walton County in north central Georgia, Lamar County in west central Georgia, southeastern Paulding County in west central Georgia, northeastern Upton County in west central Georgia, until 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 10:18 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Macon, Griffin, Monroe, Covington, Barnesville, Jackson, Madison, Forsyth, Monticello, Social Circle, Rutledge, Newborn, Flavilla, North High Shells, Milner, Mansfield, Jenkinsburg, Bostwick, Yeatusville, and Good Hope. Turn around. Do not drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your
national banks are and where most of them.
and be prepared to take action should flash flood warnings be issued. Here is a flood statement. Flash flood watch in effect from 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time this evening through Thursday morning. The National Weather Service in Greenville-Spartanburg has issued a flash flood watch for a portion of northeast Georgia, including the following areas: Habersham and Rabun. From 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time this evening through Thursday morning. Rounds of showers with embedded thunderstorms are expected tonight through late Wednesday night. Rainfall totals of up to 3 to 5 inches are possible across Rabun and Habersham counties during this period. There is potential for localized flash flooding and quick rises on rivers and creeks, given the wet ground from rainfall earlier today. A flash flood watch means there is a potential for rapid onset flooding based on current forecasts. Flash flooding is a very dangerous situation and may impact areas that do not typically flood. Please monitor the latest forecast and be prepared to take action quickly should flash flood warnings be issued. These are the 2 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time observations for North Georgia on Tuesday.